Point-slope form. By the end of this video, I hope that you understand what point-slope form is and how to identify the variables of this form. And I also hope that you are able to put two coordinates in point-slope form. One form is slope-intercept form. Another form is point-slope form. This form is represented by the equation y minus b is equal to m times x minus a. When an equation is written in this form, m is equal to the slope, while in this case, a, b is actually a point that passes through the line of that function. Suppose you're just given the value of the slope. In this example, it is 4 and a point, which in this example, we're going to use the point -2, -5. So we have a slope of 4 and a point -2, -5. So let's put the information we know in the point slope form. So we do know that the point slope form is y minus b equals m times x minus a. Now, we do know the slope, and remember, in this type of linear function, m represents the slope. So we can replace the value of m with the slope 4. And we know that -2 and -5 are a and b, respectively. So we can replace a and b with -2 and -5. Now keep in mind, because there are two negatives, it creates a positive. So your final equation should be y plus 2 equals 4 times x plus 5. Now it's your turn. Say you're given the slope of -2 and the point -2, 7. Now, using the information you have, put this in point slope form. Okay, so now that you're back, check your work. If you got it right, that's great. If you didn't, that's okay. Try it again. So as you can see, I took the value of slope, which is -2, and as we know, m is slope, so therefore we replaced m with -2 in the equation. Same for b. B is 7, so we replaced it with 7 in the equation. And a, which is x value -2, we replaced it in the equation. Suppose we want to find the line that passes through the point 1, 4, and 6, 19. So how do you use these 2 points and put it in point slope form? First, we use the 2 points to find the slope. By now, you should be able to do this pretty quickly. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is the equation for slope. And you get 19 minus 4 over 6 minus 1, which is equal to 19 minus 4 is 15 over 6 minus 1 is 5, so it's 3. Now remember, y minus b equals m times x minus a is a form of point slope form. So now just take your slope and plug it into the equation and choose one of the 2 points. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose 6, 19 and plug that into the equation. So you get y minus, and b is the y value, so it's 19 is equal to m slope, which is 3 times x minus a is the x value, which is 6. So x minus 6, you get y minus 19 equals 3 times x minus 6. And that's your answer. Now it's your turn. So try to use the points -1, 4 and 2, 10 and find the equation of those 2 points in point slope form. Okay. Now that you're back, you should have gotten the slope of 2. And so the slope is m, you get 2. And I chose the point to use as -1, 4. You could have chosen the point 2, 10. It would have not been wrong and would have made no difference. So I chose this point, and since b is the y value, substituted b in the equation for 4. And since -1 is the a value, I substituted in the equation -1 for a. And remember, because it's x minus a, you would get x minus -1, which turns to x plus 1. Here is my checklist for point-slope form. Hope it helps. It's your turn now. Here are a few problems to help you understand this concept even better. 1. Identify the slope and a coordinate from the equation y plus 4 is equal to -3 times x plus 8. The next problem is put the following coordinates in point-slope form: -2, 6, and -4, -8. Another one is 1, -6, and -1, -2. The answer to these problems will be in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and look out for more videos in the future. Bye!